here is guilty. Someone here's a liar. Someone's hands all filthy. Run playing with fire. Sneaking like a serpent. Weeping like a widow. Hiding with the women. Down on Skid Row. I'm getting real sick of playing cat and mouse. But who else will kick a rat out of this house? Put your finger down if you're the one who did it. Nothing but the crickets. Everyone's a critic. Bet y'all think you get one over me. It's a classic closed circle mystery. But I'm met with stares when I look around. Do I need to spell it out? W-I-S-P-H-E-N-U-R-D-E. There's a snake in the garden, so now everyone's started to wonder. You're just making it harder if you think you can trust one another. The proof is in the pudding, and it's just desserts I'm craving. For the dearly departed can rest until I finally uncover. No more Mr. Nice Guy, I know you've got secrets. Give me your alibi, or I will not keep it. You can fool me twice, 'cause you won't fool me once. I'll cut through all the lies and find the fault. Suspect number one, shaking like a leaf. Suspect number two isn't up to speed. Suspect number three's drinking like a fish. Suspect number four just blew me a kiss. To stop messing around, I need to lock in. There's a snake in the garden, so now everyone's started to wonder. You're just making it harder if you think you can trust one another. The proof is in the pudding, and it's just desserts I'm craving. For the dearly departed can rest until I finally uncover. There's a snake in the garden, so now everyone's started to wonder. Who's the fake, who's the charmer? Yeah, you know you can trust one another. The proof is in the poison, and you're wrongfully avoiding. Just the dearly departed can rest because I finally discovered. Go chill, it's just a game.